Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic little gadget that brings back the joy of instant photography, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 7 Plus Gray Bundle. This isn't just a camera, it's an experience, and it comes complete with a 10-film pack, so you're ready to start snapping memories right out of the box. Right away, one notices its sleek gray finish, giving it a modern yet classic appeal. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it incredibly user-friendly for anyone, regardless of their photography skill level. The operation is straightforward, truly a point-and-shoot device. A clever feature is its manual-type collapsible lens, which not only makes it easy to carry, but also protects the lens when not in use. This compact design, weighing in at just 1.2 pounds, and with dimensions of 6.25 by 5.63 by 7.75 inches, means it's perfectly sized to slip into a bag or even a larger pocket, ready for any spontaneous moment. When it comes to image quality, the Instax Mini 7 Plus doesn't disappoint. It boasts a high-quality Fujifilm lens, renowned for its clarity and vibrant color reproduction. This ensures that every instant print you get is sharp, bright, and full of life. The camera also features simple exposure adjustments, allowing for a bit of control over your shots, though its automatic exposure special feature does most of the heavy lifting for you. This means less fiddling with settings and more focus on capturing the perfect moment. One aspect that truly simplifies the shooting process is the automatic flash. It flashes automatically at all times, ensuring that your subjects are well lit, whether you're indoors or in low-light conditions. This takes away the guesswork of when to use a flash, making sure your photos are consistently well exposed. The Instax Mini film format is iconic, delivering those charming, credit card-sized prints that are perfect for sharing, decorating, or simply holding onto as tangible memories. This bundle is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into instant photography without a steep learning curve. It's ideal for parties, family gatherings, travel adventures, or just everyday fun. The combination of high picture quality, simple operation, and robust features packed into an easy-to-carry design makes the Fujifilm Instax Mini 7 Plus Gray bundle a truly delightful and reliable instant camera. It's all about capturing those fleeting moments and having a physical keepsake almost instantly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.